Hello everyone and welcome to Cyber. My name is Victor. Today we're doing a very short video on installing the ProjectDiscovery tools. I already recorded the video, but I had an issue with the audio, and now we're just recording audio on top. So we are using VirtualBox, our installation of Ubuntu in VirtualBox that we installed in episode 7. Oh, this is episode 10, by the way, of our Cybersecurity for Beginners course. So this is the Ubuntu desktop, and showing you here is ProjectDiscovery, their GitHub, and here are their repositories. They have a bunch of interesting projects you would want to check out for all your cybersecurity purposes, offensive, defensive. They are very useful. This was our terminal, and the way we're going to go about this is install their PDTM app, which installs all the other ones. Okay, here we go. We copy the link from PDTM into the terminal. Oh no, Go is not installed because it's a new Ubuntu install. Okay, and then I go to a tutorial from DigitalOcean on installing Ubuntu. It tells us to download the archive and to get the latest one. Here it is. Now I change the numbers to match the downloads page. It's 21.4, and it doesn't work because curl is not installed. So now I install curl, then I download the archive. And now I extract the files. Meaning the Go binary. Actually, I make it. Anyway. Then we need to add the paths. I add them to the profile file at the end of the file. And then we need to load it with source. Okay. I saved with WQ, and we load it. And then we test it for version, Go version. And here it is, version Go 1.21. All right. What's next? We execute again the command to install PDTM, which will take care of the rest of the tasks. This is taking its time, and it's done. Let's run it. Install all, command not found. For that, we need to make sure it's in the path. Try to find it, but of course, if path doesn't have it, you cannot see it. And here I navigate through the files, to the folders. I go to Go bin. I found it. And then I found the working directory and added it to our profile. Okay. I copy it. Then I open the file in Vim to edit it. Here I add it at the end of the file. I source it to load it into the current session. And I run it. It runs. You see, I should have sourced bash rc. Now I install all the tools. And it's going great. It's taking its sweet time. Here I was just looking for something while it was installing. yeah, the cloud ranges, it's an old project. Here it finished install, but it had some issues. It had some issues with Nabu because you need to install a library, and with Shuffle DNS. So where did I do that? Sorry. Yeah, so here I installed this library for Nabu. Here it is. Paste. No, not that one. This command. Sudo apt install. I say yes to everything. libcap dev. Again, normally I have this installed already, but it's a new machine. So all right. Basically, we have all the tools installed, and let's do some. Now let's install Nabu individually because it had an error. It installed it. I didn't install Shuffle mass DNS because it's not needed actually. And then in the end, I ran a command to play with the tools. Like, let's test it, HTTPX, it works. It shows that the .com exists there. And then I'm going to chain two commands, subfinal and HTTPX, just to make a demo of the fact that it installed all the tools and it's all done. Yeah, that's about it. You're going to see it working. Now it's finding subdomains and then it's running onto HTTPX. All right, so you can chain all of them. You can use Nabu for port scanning, nuclei for vulnerabilities. You can do a lot of things. That's about it. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe. I'm gonna make some videos in the next episodes on each of these tools and some many more tools, but we still have like 10 episodes to configure our tools. Our workspace actually, it's not as simple as you snap your fingers and you have a proper cybersecurity lab. That's about it. Please remember to subscribe, and not only for the Cybersecurity for Beginners course that we're building in public, but also for the Try Hack Me Advent of Cyber, which started today. I already published a video without sound. Sorry about that. Thank you for watching and have a full